Hello, and welcome to a video brought to you by VHA. You're watching Tour of the Digital Marketing Dashboard, Part 1. If you're a part of the digital marketing program, you have access to a dashboard. The dashboard is a tool used to manage your phone calls received and how you add information to your customized website and Facebook page. You'll notice on the left-hand side of the page your address. If you have a single location on DM, there is no need to change this. If you're managing several locations, you can switch between locations by using the drop-down menu. You can also adjust the month here. The page will automatically open up to the current month, but if you want to go back, click the drop-down menu and select the month you're looking for. The list goes back 1 year. And this orange button on the right side of the page is where you click to access all your call recordings and voice messages. Before clicking the button, note how many calls you have to review. For example, in November 2020, this location received 2 voicemails and 160 recordings. Keep in mind, only phone calls answered are recorded. This will explain the discrepancy if you see a difference between phone calls received and phone calls recorded. Call recordings, more importantly, are a great training tool and a coaching opportunity. Actively listening to the call recordings will help you evaluate what is working well and what can use some improvement. We recommend checking all call recordings daily. To listen to the call recording or voice message, click the button labeled Listen. It will prompt you to open the file or save it. Open the file so you can listen to the recording on an audio player. Repeat the same steps to listen to voice messages. Click Listen and open the file. In this area at the top is where you can find callback requests. If you had some, they'd look something like this. Instead of waiting on hold, a caller can request a callback and the caller is prompted to provide their name and phone number. Employees should check for callback requests and voice messages daily. Call recordings should equal about 75% of the calls received. Checking calls received is a good way to monitor if you're equaling 75%. Requests for directions come from the people who have been on your website. The dashboard tracks how many people have clicked the link. And there you have it, part 1 of the tour. Stay tuned for part 2.